Alright, so let's start with the verb to be. It's amazing the amount of meaning that carry this verb in English. We use it to describe things, to define things, and to say how things are, what they are. I guess that's the same thing that define and describe at any event. So we use it much more than in Spanish. The verb to be, it splits in Spanish. So whenever we use to be, we will need to use either two different verbs, either ser or estar. Sorry, but I have to mirror the letters because otherwise it looks bad for you. Okay, that's correct. So we use ser or estar. And what's the rule of gold? The rule of gold is that you use ser when you are defining. This is a bus. Esto es un autobús. Esto es una mesa. And we take this occasion to incorporate some vocabulary. It's a school vocabulary. Esto es un lápiz. Esto es un cuaderno. Repeat with me. It's very important. Esto es un pizarrón. Esta es una maestra. Esto es un borrador. Esta es una silla. Okay, I have more flashcards, but I'm gonna leave it for later. So, as I was saying, the verb to be splits into two verbs in Spanish. And as a rule of gold, we will say that we use ser when we are talking about permanent attributes or to define or to describe things that are usually or always the same. And we use estar to talk about temporary attributes. All right, let's see some examples. Let me make something clear. I just noticed that I skipped a stage on the explanation. When I say this is a shoe, esto es un zapato, I'm actually using the verb ser, but the thing is it's conjugated. Here is part of the conjugation. First person, I. Yo soy. Second person, singular, tú eres. Third person, singular, él es. She is, he is, it is, etc. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying this is, I'm using the verb ser. If I use the verb estar instead, it would be give me 1 second. Can I have, I want to drink some, this is mate, it's from Argentina. I hope you don't mind, but those are the advantages of working at home. So, with the verb estar, it's so messy. Okay, now a dry paper works better. With the verb estar, es estar. The first person is yo, es estoy. Tú estás. Y él está. And now we're going to see some sentences as an example. Let's start with sentences that take the verb ser always. These are sentences that define objects, situations, persons, or places. For instance, esto es un pizarrón. This is the whiteboard. Esto es una caja. This is a box. Esto es un marcador. This is a marker. It could be definitions like a scientific definition, like a dog is a mammal, un perro es un mamífero. An orange is a fruit, una naranja es una fruta. A molecule is a group of atoms. Una molécula es un conjunto de átomos. We use the verb ser as well to describe objects, either a particular object or all the objects of a given group, with attributes or features that are permanent. That's the trick. For instance, David is short. He's always short. So we say, David es bajo. No está bajo. He's always short. Another example. David is a teacher. That's his permanent profession. So we said, David es maestro. The table is round. This table, this particular table, is always round. So we say, la mesa es redonda. This wall is gray. La pared es gris. For general sentences, statements, like all molecules are bigger than atoms, we say, la molécula es más grande que el átomo. Todas las moléculas son, I didn't get there yet, it's some other person, the third plural person. La molécula es más grande que el átomo. Las moléculas son más grandes que los átomos. Carbon is black. El carbón es negro. Exceptions. When we talk about location or distances, the moon is 240,000 something miles away from the Earth. La luna está a 240,000 millas de la Tierra. Está. Even when the moon is always there to that distance. Or the mall is closed. El mercado está cerca, even if the mall is always in the same place. Now let's see sentences that take the verb estar always. These are sentences that describe objects, situations, persons, etc., with attributes that are temporary. For the weather, In English we say the day is raining, the day is cloudy. But in Spanish we say el día está nublado. No, el día es nublado. Though there is some people who speak wrongly and they say es nublado, but proper use of Spanish would take está nublado. El día está soleado. The day is sunny, soleado. Another example. David is at school. We use the verb estar. David está en la escuela. He's not always there. Sometimes he's somewhere else. The boy is jumping. El niño está saltando. The dog is hungry. El perro está hambriento. No, el perro es hambriento. The cat is thirsty. El gato está sediento. El agua está caliente, because not all water is hot. Finally, we got to the sentences that take either ser or estar, but this choice brings a different meaning. If I say la manzana es verde, I'm saying this apple is green. But if I say la manzana está verde, I'm saying this apple is unripe. El hombre es feliz. I'm saying this man is happy. This is a happy man. But if I say el hombre está feliz, I mean the man is happy now, but he's not always happy. Another example. La madre es nerviosa. That means the mother has a nervous temperament. But if I say la madre está nerviosa, I'm saying the mother is nervous now, but she's not always nervous. So I hope you review this at home and see you next time.